Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Money Knows You. I started this channel to help people achieve financial freedom, but honestly, it's been tough. No one is subscribing or even giving likes. But I'm not stopping because I know this information can change lives. Imagine waking up every morning knowing money is flowing into your bank account, without having to clock into a 9-to-5 job. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's possible. The wealthy don't rely on just one source of income. They build multiple passive income streams that keep the cash flowing, whether they're working, sleeping, or even on vacation. In today's video, I'll break down the 7 most powerful passive income streams that can help you build real wealth. And trust me, if you want financial freedom, you need to start building these today. Before we jump in, let's get clear on what passive income actually is. Passive income is money you earn without trading time for money, or at least not on an ongoing basis. Unlike a job where you have to work to get paid, passive income keeps flowing in after you've set it up. Now, passive income isn't 100% hands-off. Most streams require upfront effort or investment. But once they're built, they generate income on autopilot. The first passive income stream is dividend stocks, and this is one of the easiest ways to make money while doing nothing. When you invest in dividend-paying stocks, companies literally pay you just for owning their shares. And the best part? Many companies increase their dividends over time, meaning your income grows without any extra effort. To get started, look at blue-chip companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble. These have a long history of paying dividends, and if you reinvest those dividends, your wealth grows even faster. The next big one, rental income. If you own a rental property, tenants pay you every month, creating a steady stream of income. Now, buying property requires money up front, but once you have tenants, the property pays for itself, and over time, it appreciates in value. Professional tip. Consider house hacking, buying a duplex, living in one unit, and renting out the other to cover your mortgage. This is one of the fastest ways to build wealth through real estate. Affiliate marketing is like getting paid for recommending products you already love. You promote a product with a special link, and when someone buys through that link, you earn a commission without ever handling inventory. Platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and ClickBank make it easy to get started. And if you have a blog, YouTube channel, or even a social media page, this can turn into a serious income stream. Here are 4 more powerful passive income streams you need to know about. Fourth option is trading in digital products. You can create and sell ebooks, online courses, templates, or stock photos. Unlike physical products, digital products can be sold over and over again with minimal ongoing effort. For example, an online course you create today can keep making money for years. Fifth one is peer-to-peer lending. Instead of letting your money sit in a low-interest savings account, you can lend it to individuals or small businesses through platforms like Prosper or Lending Club. In return, you earn interest on the money you lend, just like a bank. However, there are risks, so diversifying your loans is key. Sixth passive income option I would definitely like to suggest is REITs, real estate investment trusts. Want to invest in real estate without the hassle of managing tenants? REITs let you buy shares in real estate companies that own income-generating properties. You earn passive income through dividends, and the best part, you can start with as little as $100. The last option might seem uncomfortable for most of you, but let me assure you, once you start investing your creativity in this, it will yield amazing results. The option is YouTube and content creation. Creating content on YouTube, TikTok, or a blog can turn into a massive passive income stream. Once your content gets views, you earn money from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. The key is to stay consistent and build an audience. Over time, even your old videos can keep making money. At the start, if you pick just one of these and stay consistent, you'll start seeing results faster than you think. Most people rely on one income stream, and that's risky. The wealthy build multiple streams so they never depend on a single paycheck. Remember, the best time to start is now. Your future financial freedom depends on the choices you make today. Let's build wealth together. Now, I want to hear from you. Which passive income stream are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a wealth-building tip.